you have been looking for a classic truck, this is it for you. It just doesn't get any more beautiful than this. Look at this paint scheme. It really makes a statement. It's a 1954 custom Chevy truck. Has lots of tricks, but you have to look for them. Single piece front windshield, single piece side, Mustang II, disc brakes. It has it all. It has a big block, has that wonderful big cam rumble to her. She really makes the heart race. Gonna have tons of questions? That is fine. Give me a call. Better yet, stop by the showroom. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Let's get to this beautiful 54. It's time to check out the fan and your heater. It is a 3-speed fan. There is low, medium, and high. This is your heat and the defrost. Right now it's on heat. Simply switch that over. You're on defrost. Turn it back over. This is your temperature. That is low, medium, and high. all works very well. Now I'm going to show you how to open the hood. Slightly off center, right here. Just pull it forwards. As you lift it up in the center, there's a little switch and you can pull it up. Isn't she just everything I said she was? She is very, very beautiful. I love the paint scheme. The sound makes your heart race, doesn't it? I love that big cam sound in these trucks. I know you're going to have tons of questions. I want you to feel free to call me. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Subscribe if you would, please, so I can continue to bring you these videos. Our website is pantherroadclassics.com. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.